Hi fans of high quality entertainment. Mittens is sleeping, but she won't be sleeping for long because I'm doing a food review. A bag of cheesies. Sorry. My tripod is lopsided. I hate when that happens. It is a very warm and muggy day out, so apologies for the air conditioner in the kitchen. But I like being cool. Now this is going to be a pretty simple, yet very entertaining video, because that's why I say hi fans of high quality entertainment, because all of my videos are high quality. So I saw these yesterday at the grocery store and I shoplifted them. Nobody was looking. They're Simply Cheetos Puffs, white cheddar. And of course, you know, in Canada, words are in French too. And I also noticed, where is it there? Where am I? For a second I was thinking maybe they're not gluten-free. Boy, I'm going to be suffering later. They're gluten-free. And it says here, made with real cheese. That's good news. You don't want to be eating fake cheese. No artificial colors. No flavors. Oh, no. No artificial no artificial colors or flavors. That's what I forgot to make this more highly entertaining. My wine. I'll be right back. I'm going to kind of stretch this to like a 20-minute cheesies review. I'll put like 4 or 5 ads in the video, make lots of money. Easy, easy. Blame the cat. You wouldn't want to smell me right now. And people, I'm going to stretch this out because it's the weekend. Everybody relax, take it easy. I'm not rushing through a video, okay? But people ask me what kind of wine I buy, and I'm not picky. I prefer red over white, and this is Merlot. Jackson Tricks is the name of it. It's a nice wine. But that doesn't mean you have to get drunk on it. Now for the commercial part. Cheetos Puffs. Simply Cheetos Puffs. Our Simply snacks are made with ingredients you can feel good about and come from the brands you love. We call this pure deliciousness. Now I'll read it in French, or attempt to. Nos calotations simples sont faites avec des ingrédients que vous pouvez savourer et spirit tranquille. Et vos sont offerts par les marques que vous aimez. Ces products sont simply delicious. Somebody that knows French, let me know if I got even one word right. Try our other Simply products, and I noticed this after. I haven't seen these other two. But Simply Ruffles, sea salted, that would be nice. And Simply Organic Doritos white cheddar. So I'll have to find those sometime. My sister-in-law loves it. when she watches my food reviews, and I'm doing like bags of potato chips, and I do this. She says it's annoying. So, calories per 56 pieces, which is 50 grams, and this is 227 grams. You know, the one thing, if I can be serious for a second, one thing I think is they should say, what is this whole bag, you know, for calories and everything, instead of, it's kind of almost cheating. So it's like, there's 227 grams, and they're saying roughly 50 grams, so about 1/5, kind of 1/5 of the bag. Calories 270, fat 17 grams, saturated 2.5 grams, trans 0.2 grams, cholesterol 2%, sodium 20%, sugars 2 grams. But the good news is you get vitamin A 2%, calcium 6%, iron 6%, and then other stuff that I can't pronounce. So the ingredients are enriched cornmeal, vegetable oil seasoning, which is cheddar cheese, whey, maltodextrin, sour cream, and sea salt, disodium phosphate, which is one of my favorites, torula yeast, lactic acid, citric acid for tartness, natural flavor, and sea salt. So, you know, not a lot of ingredients. It's good. I'm not going to review these. Wouldn't that be funny? You guys, there's somebody out there watching like a 20-minute video, and then I decide not to review it. I decide just to drink more red wine. Boy, there's been a lot of drama on YouTube lately. I was going to do a video about it. I won't mention names, but some of those big YouTubers, seriously, I almost want to do like maybe a joke video or something on it, or be like, you know, one of those insincere fake YouTubers, which I'm not most of the time. I'm real. That actually hurt. Here we go. Whoa, the flavor. Second. Now, if I can be serious just for a minute, these cheesies smell really good. Maybe this will be my thumbnail. That'll get 2 or 3 extra views. Don't worry, I'll eat those later. So here we go. Let's see if Mittens would like the smell of this. Smell like that cheesy? Ooh. I won't give her too much because it's probably not good for her. But just a tiny little. You want that? Oh, you like that? You know why? Because it's got real cheese in it. There you go. You might fall there, baby. It's right there, hon. Don't bite my finger. Oh, she is licking the cheese. She'll lick all the cheese flavor off so there's no flavor when I bite into it later. Yeah, she likes that. She seriously, I'm not joking, she likes that cheesy. She seems to also like my finger because sometimes she's licking my finger and other times she is licking the cheesy. Here you go. Oh, you ate it! You ate a cheesy! Oh, you ate it! You ate a cheesy! It's gone. She liked the cheesy. They're probably not good for cats, so I won't do that again. It's not good for them. It's not good for you, okay? Here we go. I'm finally gonna eat a cheesy and not put it up my nose. Good luck. They are very fresh. You know, I remember this girl once, she was really fresh. Hi Molly, I love you. I'm just joking. There's something missing though. I'm gonna have a bit more wine. Really nice. Hey, those are good cheesies. You know what I sometimes like to do is I like to dip my cheesy in wine. Which gives it a Merlot-ish taste. Let me just have a couple more and then I'll give you my final review on these. Did I mention it's hot out? Final thoughts. It really, you know, being gluten-free, I have celiac disease. It's actually kind of stressful grocery shopping sometimes because you really have to be careful. And I'm sure there's times I bought things that I thought were gluten-free, even if they weren't marked gluten-free, because they didn't have whey in them or actually these do, but they say they're gluten-free, which I thought whey was one thing you have to stay away from, but they're gluten-free. But the main thing is wheat, staying away from wheat. And those are really nice cheeses. If you like cheesies, I'm sure most people, I'm sure they're pretty well known Cheetos in the States and worldwide maybe. But those are as tasty as just regular ones. And these are gluten-free, which I don't know if I've mentioned before. So I highly recommend them. They're really, really nice. And I'm going to look for, wow, look at that. Made with real cheese. I didn't know that. I don't listen to myself. Yeah, they're really nice. And even if you're not gluten-free, they taste like cheesies. And they're healthier, I think, than, because they're more, they're simple, like I am. So that's my review for Cheetos Puffs, white cheddar. It's just a simple review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video went beyond 10 minutes so I can insert an ad in the middle of the video and make more money. Bye. And where's Jinxie?
There she is.
Look at the big smile.